Well, hey everybody. If you've bought the Rock and Roller and you've used it as many times as I have, you're going to wear your bearings out. Now, I got a couple of the wheels, didn't know that they sell these bearing kits for the Rock and Roller, and they all use a 3/4 inch axle. So these were $9.99. So I got them from Z Zounds. They just slide right in. And then I was going to just hammer it down, but I thought, you know what, I've got a press. I might as well just use that. And that's what they look like when they're done. Real nice and easy. Just put it right there on the press, one-handed. Oops, put it on the press. Let me get that centered again. On the press. And I'll go ahead and compress that down. Just two parts, the bearings and cover. And there it goes, making contact, pushing it right down until it feels snug. Real good. That's it. I'm gonna release that and I'll show you. Ready to go for another, I've had these for 8 years before they wore out. Hopefully another year. You can see the tires really hold out great. Unfortunately, tires I got were not Rock and Rollers, and they're quite a bit heavier, so I'm going to put these back on. Thank you.